let's learn how to make a paper bag book cover featuring the good old grocery bag from the grocery store. Just cut off the bottom of the bag and then slit it up the side, opening it up with the print side up. Fold that top and the bottom to fit the height of your book. Be pretty careful and do it as straight as you can, and then fold it around your book to see the length. You want to leave about 6 to 8 extra inches in length. Then tuck that extra length inside the front cover and the back cover of that book. You can make this to fit any size book. The grocery bag is pretty big. You can also use brown paper bag like you wrap a present or a package. I should have trimmed these little flaps earlier, but you can do it now or earlier. Fold those flaps in, and then you're going to tape down that lower layer of the flaps on the inside of the book cover. It'll help make it stronger. You can use this on textbooks, and I really like the idea of using decorative paper and covering a bunch of your older books and setting them on your shelf somewhere. Wrapping paper works really well for that. But for this book cover, go ahead and slip your book inside that front cover and the back cover into the pockets that you've made, and then nestle that book inside. Yes, it fits perfectly. You might want to write the title on there because you can't see the cover now. All the tips and tricks for how to make a paper bag book cover from a paper bag, of course, can be found at welcometobananas.com. Come join the fun.